No, this meeting in the power department has already been done. I had called the meeting at my level, and we have discussed the issues. We have resolved most of the issues. We are quite sure that it will not happen. But like last time, also NTPC simply cut it. So we will wait and see. But from the point of view of all the issues and concerns that NIPCO have had, we have resolved all those issues. So we don't expect it to happen, but I've not been able to. I've just come from assembly and then came straight here, so I've not taken the latest report. But the last report that the power minister gave to me before he left the assembly was that they have resolved all the issues. The NIPCO's issue was that they wanted the second installment of the first tranche, and so that release was taking a bit of time because of some internal issues with which MECL had to resolve with REC and PFS, which are the two agencies that are giving the Atmanirbhar loan. So those issues have been resolved, and the second installment of the first tranche will be released to NIPCO, or may have already been released while we speak. So I don't have those details right now with me, but that was the issue. So those have been resolved.
How much